Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take the mirror assembly off of a 2021 to 2023 Ford Bronco. A lot of videos you see, they only do the mirror cap, but we're going to take the whole arm and the mirror off itself. So I do a lot of paint matching and color matching. I do paint and body work, and I want to color match this, but I think just doing the mirror cap is kind of silly because you have this arm and the whole back of the mirror is still textured black. So we're going to take this whole arm off. Alright, so first things first, there is a little bit of wiring that comes in here to the engine bay, so obviously we got the hood up. So we're gonna get rid of this wire clip, we're gonna pull that out, and then disconnect this right here. So we got pry tool, screwdriver, pair of pliers, whatever you can do to get this thing out. I got that clip out. There's a little tab if you come in here, Mr. Cameraman. There's a little tab right here. All you gotta do is push that down and then pull the other end, and it comes right out. And now, what the frick? Okay. And it's a little tab underneath that has to come up too, so just like that. And make sure to break your knuckle as you pull it out too. But now that the wiring's out, we can take these bolts out of here. So the tools you're gonna need here is 2 Torx bits. You're gonna need a T25 for the smaller one, and then a T27 for the bigger one right next to it. This one's like for the accessory if you want to mount like a extra light here. Take this guy out. And then there's one right next to it. That's a bigger one. That's a T27. Who put this dang antenna right here? Alright, once you get these out.
3 hours later.
And then you see right here, there's obviously 2 separate pieces. This comes off pretty easy. You just gotta give a little wiggle and push it towards the middle of the vehicle. And that reveals 4 8mm bolts. And these are pretty long, they're pretty tight, so we're gonna use an impact. Very overkill. Our 3/8 drive one is broke right now, so we're gonna use a 1/2 incher. A little overkill, but gets the job done. Alright, so now we got all the bolts out, the wiring out. This sits under here. This is a separate piece from the cowl. There's a little alignment pin back in here, so you kind of gotta lift up and do a little shimmy. This antenna back and forth until you get it out of there. And voila, feed the wiring through here. And that, guys, right there is how you take a mirror off a 2021 to 2023 Bronco. And if you want to take this off, I'll show you how to do that real quick too. Thank you for stepping into my office. So now to take this this glass off, all you need is a couple flathead screwdrivers. Whatever, if you want one longer, one shorter. Longer one's kind of easier to get up in there, but we'll use a short one here. All you gotta do is push this to one corner. Let's see which one's better here. There we go. This side comes up a lot more. So you can peek in here, possibly. It's a lot easier to do this on the vehicle, just so you don't have a flopping mirror. But since we got one off, you kind of have a little bit more wiggle room here. Sometimes they'll just come right off like that. But as you see here, there's 4 little tabs, and they sit right here. All you gotta do is pry that tab away from this, and it comes right off. And then obviously these are for the heated mirrors. We'll pull that off, and voila. That is how you take the glass off the mirror on the Bronco, and that's how you take the mirror off the Bronco itself. Now, as mentioned, I am color matching these, and I'm also color matching fender flares. If you look here, she's got some mad stance because I got the fender flares off as well. So if you guys are wanting to see the color match mirrors and color match flares and the how-to process on that, be sure to click the link in the description, and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you take apart your Bronco, do cool things with it. So have a great day.